Can Bitcoin finally catch a bid this week, or will the macro data coming out push it down even further? Plus, these three also look primed to go with their latest updates. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, not financial advice, and wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. With the ongoing slump in Bitcoin and the broader crypto market, traders should prepare for potential price swings this week, driven by key US economic updates. Historically, September is the worst performing month for Bitcoin, but there's hope for a rebound in October. Risk on assets like Bitcoin have started the week quietly. The largest cryptocurrency is currently trading at under $55,000. However, upcoming US macroeconomic events and the anticipated debate between Donald Trump and Kamala Harris could impact trader sentiment and drive shifts in portfolios. The upcoming presidential debate between Donald Trump and Kamala Harris has put crypto in the spotlight. Both candidates have made the topic central to their campaigns. Trump, meanwhile, has made bullish comments about Bitcoin and the broader crypto market, winning favor among industry insiders. Inflation is the focal point this week, with the release of the August Consumer Price Index or CPI data and the less significant Producer Price Index or PPI. Both are arriving this week before the Federal Reserve's next meeting. These figures could play a crucial role in determining the Fed's interest rate decision. The Bureau of Labor Statistics is set to release the August CPI on Wednesday, September 11th, and in July, inflation eased to 2.9% from June's 3%. Economists now expect inflation to drop further to 2.7%, which could bolster Bitcoin's strength if realized. Markets will also focus on the preliminary consumer sentiment report set for release on September 13th. The University of Michigan's consumer confidence data will highlight the gap between the U.S. economy's overall strength and how households perceive their financial well-being. Consumer sentiment tends to be more sensitive to inflation, while consumer confidence is closely tied to the labor market. A strong consumer confidence could boost spending and drive investment in assets like Bitcoin if investors remain optimistic about the economy. However, if Friday's data reveals that consumers are still struggling with inflation, high interest rates, and job insecurity, crypto markets may react unpredictably. From September 18th to 19th, Marina Bay Sands in Singapore will host the Token 2049 event. This year, Token 2049 aims to draw 20,000 visitors from over 150 countries, becoming a global gathering. The 2024 event looks bigger and more impressive, with more than 500 related events set to take place across Singapore from September 16th to 22nd. Token 2049 has announced an impressive lineup of speakers, and they include Richard Tang, Anatoly Yakovenko, Balaji Srinivasan, Edward Snowden, Arthur Hayes, and Imad Mustaku. Token 2049 isn't only a conference, it impacts attendees as a full-on festival. Guests can check out hands-on VR areas, AI artwork displays, and indoor rock climbing walls. This year, Token 2049 starts a startup competition to show off the next wave of Web3 projects. They'll look at hundreds of entries, and the top 10 fresh projects will pitch their ideas to the world. Stacks has reached a new all-time high in smart contract deployment just days before the much-anticipated Nakamoto Upgrade is fully activated. Stacks, the Bitcoin network smart contract layer, reached a new all-time high of over 1,400 monthly smart contracts deployed. Stacks said in an X post, a new high and a 30% increase month over month for smart contract deployments on the leading Bitcoin Layer 2. Stacks developers are the foundation of a flourishing Bitcoin ecosystem, making Bitcoin a productive asset. The new record high comes ahead of the full activation of the Nakamoto Upgrade, which started rolling out on August 28th. The upgrade is expected to revolutionize Bitcoin-based decentralized finance, also known as Bitcoin Fi, a new technological paradigm that aims to bring DeFi capabilities to the world's first blockchain network. The much-awaited Nakamoto upgrade could be a huge leap for Bitcoin DeFi and Layer 2 scalability, according to Diego May, the co-founder of Bitflow Finance. He wrote in a September 7th X post, "The upgrade brings decentralized apps and smart contracts closer to Bitcoin security and decentralization, opening new doors for developers to innovate." With Nakamoto, Stacks shifts to a Bitcoin-native model, enhancing performance and security for Stacks projects by relying more on Bitcoin's infrastructure. This upgrade positions Stacks as a key player in bringing more utility and scalability to the Bitcoin ecosystem. Big things ahead for builders. And Mithil Thakur, the co-founder and CEO of Velar Bitcoin Liquidity Protocol, noted in an X post that the upgrade will also reduce Stacks block time to 5 seconds and create 100% Bitcoin finality. And Stacks' upcoming Bitcoin-backed token, SBTC, will roll out 4 weeks after the Nakamoto upgrade is finalized. Cardano and Quant prices drifted upwards on Sunday, September 8th, as the recent crypto sell-off eased a bit. Quant's token rose for the second consecutive day, reaching a high of $70, its highest swing since August 26. It rose by over 23% from its lowest point last week, but remains 54% below its all-time high this year. One of the main catalysts behind Quant's recent rally could be attributed to the long-anticipated confirmation of staking capabilities on the Overledger network announced by CEO Gilbert Verdian. With the platform's terms and conditions updated to include staking, this development enhances the utility of the token by encouraging long-term holding and reducing the circulating supply of Quant. This not only offers token holders the opportunity to earn rewards, but also strengthens the intrinsic value of each token by embedding it more deeply in the Overledger network operations. Quant operates the Overledger network, which facilitates the connection of diverse blockchain networks. By holding Quant tokens, developers can create decentralized multi-chain applications, and this is intended to bridge the divisions between different blockchains, laying the groundwork for a digital economy in the future. And as for Cardano, the developers recently launched the Chang hard fork, which its developers hope will lead to more activity. Another evidence is that Cardano's open interest in the futures market is rising. Data by CoinGlass shows that its open interest rose to 177 million on Sunday, the third consecutive day of gains. Cardano and Quant prices also rose, as data shows heightened address activity. According to Sandman, this indicates that some investors are accumulating, and it often leads to a rebound. The crypto-focused travel platform Travala has made a major stride in cryptocurrency adoption by integrating with the global Skyscanner marketplace. This marks Skyscanner's first implementation with a crypto-native application. The new partnership underscores Skyscanner's commitment to offering diverse payment methods to the growing needs of travelers, according to Sandra Vukic, the head of hotels at Skyscanner. Travala will become accessible to Skyscanner's over 110 million monthly users, potentially providing significant mainstream exposure to cryptocurrency and blockchain-based applications. Travala could also mean a significant boost for mainstream Web3 adoption, as the Skyscanner partnership will showcase the utility of crypto, according to Juan Otero, the CEO of Travala, who said travel marketplaces like Skyscanner are the starting point for many during the discoverability phase for travelers, and having Travala featured on one of the world's leading travel marketplaces will encourage curiosity that guides Web2 users into the world of Web3. Skyscanner averages over 80 billion daily searches, which could result in an influx of new users discovering Travala's crypto-driven platform.